Alright, so on all my other videos, you seen my levitating sneaker device, and then all of a sudden, you stopped seeing it. And honestly, the reason why you stopped seeing it is because I broke mine. However, it was a super cool addition to my little setup here. I think it would also be a good addition to your sneaker collection, so I decided to go ahead and get me another one, and I'm definitely gonna unbox it and set it up and show everybody who's asked me exactly how it works. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so first, it comes in this nice white box, okay? It reads HypeLev, which is the company I got it from. All right, and when you open it, oh man, that's pretty cool. It says levitate your soles on the inside. All right, so now we're gonna lift the paper up. And this is basically just the instructions. So far, I love how it's packaged. Me being a graphic designer, packaging is everything for me, so I'm definitely already in love with this product. So you got this, which is power block, and then what this is actually the magnet that holds the shoe up, and I'm actually going to put a live shoe on there and show y'all exactly how to do it. All right, so then I'm gonna take the plastic off. Oh no, okay, so you actually gotta take this bad boy out, or you actually gotta take, oh wow. All right, so now that we got it out the box, you see it's a pretty big machine actually. It reads the company HypeLev on the back. Make sure y'all can see that right there. Now also, there's a little on and off switch right here. And once again, this is the magnet, and this is the power supply, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right, now we got it plugged in, we're gonna turn the lights on. That's the first cool touch, all right? The test shoe that we're gonna use is actually gonna be this pair of Ambush Dunks, all right? My wife wanted these when they dropped. I actually struck out on sneakers, struck out everywhere else, so I ended up having to pay resale for them because she pretty much told me that she wanted these more than life itself. So of course, if your wife, girlfriend, whoever wants something, you gotta get it, right? All right, so this is how it works. All right, first you're gonna set the weight. I always set it about midway back here, okay? And then you place the weight in the top of the shoe. All right, now it's just gonna snap into place like that. And once it does, this fan actually comes on. So the fan blows it, but of course you can give it a push and it's gonna start rotating. Now, one thing that I can tell you already is that this thing is pretty loud. It's not really loud enough to disturb you, as I've heard others say. And man, I just love it, bro. I think it's a nice touch for my desk. I'm definitely not gonna break this one. I'm gonna treat it with TLC. Now, I know you're wondering like, bro, how can I get one of these? This is how. Go to www.hypelev.com. I have a link in the description to where if you buy it under that link, I get a percentage of the sale, just being 100% transparent with you. So if you want one of these, definitely go check it out. I have a link. If you collect sneakers and you want to display them, then this is definitely the perfect thing. Or if you know a sneakerhead, this will definitely blow their mind. I mean, once again, this levitating thing is just one of the coolest things I've ever seen. And the way it works is basically physics. You put the magnet in the heel. After that, there's a magnet on the other side up in this part of the device that's sort of pushing and repelling against it, causing that levitation to happen. All right, so that's just gravity and physics, everything we learned in middle school. Overall, the only thing I would say that I would like to see this machine do better is maybe give me some color options for this light back here. I know I've seen some that lit up. I thought those were very cool, but other than that, man, I'm 100% satisfied with this. I think you would too. Add it to your collection. It's your boy Rico, and I'm signing out. Let's get it.